Unimac washer. Troubleshooting basic maintenance. Tips: proper maintenance can extend your Unimac washer's lifespan and improve its efficiency. Follow these basic maintenance tips to keep your washer in top shape. Regular cleaning. Regular cleaning prevents dirt buildup and ensures smooth operation. Clean the exterior and interior of your washer. Wipe down the exterior with a damp cloth. Run an empty wash cycle with hot water and vinegar. Remove and clean the detergent dispenser. Check and clean the door seal to avoid mold. Inspecting hoses. Inspecting the hoses regularly can prevent leaks and water damage. Check the hoses for any signs of wear or damage. Turn off the water supply before inspecting. Look for cracks or bulges in the hoses. Ensure the connections are tight and secure. Replace any damaged hoses immediately. Maintenance task frequency. Clean exterior. Weekly run cleaning cycle. Monthly inspect hoses. Quarterly. Note: if you want to know more details, you can visit this website. HelloTroubleshooting.com